Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Harshita Chaudhary, a forensic science student at National Forensic Sciences University, Gandhinagar. In today's video, I will be reviewing Delhi campus of NFSU. So if you are interested in taking admission at NFSU Delhi, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because in this video, I will be covering infrastructure, campus life, hostel facilities, academics and much more. So let's get started. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं लोकेशन की. सो एनएफएसयू दिल्ली कैंपस इज लोकेटेड इन रोहिणी सेक्टर 3 ऑफ दिल्ली. Although the campus is not very large in terms of area, but it provides all the facilities required for students. One of the biggest advantage of this campus is its easy connectivity with the rest of city. So you can easily connect with the rest of city using metro and other public transports. Also you get a very diverse crowd in terms of students. तो all over India से यहाँ पे students आते हैं, तो काफी ज्यादा diversity है campus के अंदर भी, and you get a chance to interact with people from different culture and background. After location, let's talk about कि कौन कौन से courses इस campus के अंदर available है currently. So currently there are 5 major departments and इनके अंदर 19 courses available है, and you can see the list of departments on the screen. These programs cover various fields like forensic science, cyber security, management, law and much more. Talking about the hostel facilities, so yes, both boys and girls hostels are available. The girls hostel is in campus providing convenience and security for female students, and जो boys hostel है वो कुछ distance पे है, मतलब around 3 to 4 किलोमीटर की distance पे है campus से. So yes, hostel allotment is based on the merit list, जैसे कि गांधीनगर campus में भी similarly होता है. Like जो top 4 and 5 females हैं, top 4 and 5 males है, उनको ही in campus hostels allot होते हैं, बाकी सबको बाहर कहीं PG and hostels में रहना पड़ता है. And students who do not get hostel accommodations can easily find private hostels and PGs nearby the campus as well. So overall जो PG and hostel facilities है वो better है गांधीनगर campus के comparison में, क्योंकि गांधीनगर campus में अगर आपको in campus hostel allot होता है then it's good. Otherwise आपको काफ़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है PG and hostels ढूंढने में, क्योंकि कैंपस के आसपास इतने PG एंड हॉस्टल्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. बट दिल्ली कैंपस के अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वहाँ पे कैंपस के पास भी आपको अच्छे PG एंड हॉस्टल्स अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे. ऑल्सो द क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड इज डिसेंट एंड मैनेजेबल बाय मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड academics. Talking about the infrastructure, the campus includes well-equipped laboratories, library facilities, dining area, an auditorium, a small playground for sports activities, and a common sitting area for students. Although campus is quite smaller as compared to Gandhinagar campus, and कुछ facilities अभी भी available नहीं है like playground, and some labs are also like average, but still most of the academic requirements are at its place. All practical sessions are conducted properly. हर एक practical आपको अच्छे से करवाया जाता है, and it gives you an hand-on practical knowledge along with the theoretical knowledge. Now let's talk about another important aspect, campus life. So campus life at NFSU Delhi is quite vibrant. One of the biggest highlight is Anvakrit. It's a crime scene investigation competition, and बाकी जितने भी NFSU के कैंपस है वहाँ से भी स्टूडेंट्स इसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करने आते हैं. So Anvakrit is definitely a big event for all the forensic sciences students. Apart from the academics, freshers parties there, college organized flash mobs, and also cultural events भी celebrate किए जाते हैं like Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Garba night, Holi and other festivals as well. And there are many other academic and technical events organized time to time as well. And इसके अलावा भी दिल्ली is a big city, so students can go outside and explore the city. Overall, NFSU Delhi is a good option for students looking for quality education in field of forensic science and related fields. And due to its location, आपको बाकी चीज़ों का भी काफ़ी अच्छा exposure मिलता है. And definitely Delhi provides you a better internships opportunities as well. तो आप दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ में या फिर बाकी जो वहाँ पे जो crime bureaus है, आप उनमें जाके internships वगैरह भी कर सकते हैं. So that's it about Delhi campus. आई होप कि मैंने आपकी काफ़ी सारे डाउट्स क्लियर कर दिए हो रिगार्डिंग NFSU दिल्ली कैंपस, एंड सून आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग अदर कैंपसेस एज वेल. सो दैट्स इट अबाउट दिस वीडियो. Still, if you have any query or doubt regarding the campuses, NFSU, CUET, admission procedure, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to reply all of you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.